When you're thinking about diving into SwiftRental for your property management needs, there are a few things you should know first. This software may seem like a great solution, but there are features that might make or break your experience. Let's break down 12 things you need to know before committing, and by the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of whether SwiftRental is the right choice for you, or if there's a better option out there. The first thing you should be aware of is that SwiftRental offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for landlords and property managers to jump right in. While this sounds great, other competitors like AppFolio and Rentec Direct also emphasize simplicity, but they often include more robust features in the package. SwiftRental might seem easier to navigate, but you could find yourself wishing for more flexibility down the line. Next thing, SwiftRental is known for its automated rent collection feature. It saves time by allowing tenants to pay rent online, reducing the chance of late payments. However, some users report occasional glitches with payment processing, especially when dealing with multiple properties. Competitors like Buildium have a stronger reputation for payment reliability, though SwiftRental is making strides to improve this. The third thing to keep in mind is SwiftRental's tenant communication tools. While it's great to send notices, reminders, and updates directly through the platform, many other software options, like Rentec Direct, offer more advanced communication features such as email templates and automated responses, making it easier for property managers to save time. The fourth thing, SwiftRental's maintenance management system allows tenants to submit repair requests online. This can streamline operations, but some property managers feel that it lacks the depth of functionality that tools like PropertyWare or Tenant Cloud offer. If you're managing a larger portfolio, you may want something more comprehensive. The fifth thing to know is SwiftRental's pricing. It starts with a lower base rate compared to other property management software, but once you add on all the features, it can get pricier. Keep an eye on extra costs. Other software like AppFolio offers a more all-inclusive pricing structure, making it easier to forecast your expenses. The sixth thing to consider is its reporting capabilities. SwiftRental does offer reports for things like income, expenses, and occupancy rates, but some users feel the reports are too basic. Software like Rentec Direct and Buildium offer more advanced reporting tools that can help you analyze your property's financial performance in more detail. Next, SwiftRental supports multiple properties, but it's important to note that its capabilities may not be as extensive as those found in other platforms. If you're managing hundreds of units, you may find tools like AppFolio or Buildium offer better scalability, which could be more suited to your needs. The eighth thing, SwiftRental offers a mobile app for managing properties on the go. While it's functional, it's not quite as polished as some other apps on the market, like Buildium's. If you're someone who relies on your phone for property management tasks, you might be better served by a competitor's more robust app. The ninth thing to know is SwiftRental's customer support. Many users appreciate the responsive customer service, though others report wait times during peak hours. If you need 24/7 support, you might want to consider a service like PropertyWare, which offers round-the-clock help. The 10th thing, SwiftRental does integrate with other tools like QuickBooks for accounting. However, the integration isn't as seamless as some competitors, leaving room for improvement. With tools like Rentec Direct or AppFolio, these integrations tend to be smoother, saving you time when managing financials. The 11th thing to consider is that SwiftRental doesn't offer a free trial. You can only get a demo, which might not give you the full experience of using the software day to day. If you're unsure, you may prefer platforms like Buildium that offer a free trial to let you test everything before committing. Finally, SwiftRental's updates and improvements are consistent, but the pace is slower compared to its competitors. While the software is steadily improving, you may find that other services release new features faster, especially if you're looking for cutting-edge tools for managing your properties. So, is SwiftRental a good option? It can be, especially if you're just getting started or managing a smaller portfolio.